We're back on Boston 25 Sports In Depth with our special Giving Back episode. And our next story takes us to Foxborough. The Revolution have turned their season around after bringing in Bruce Arena to run the soccer operations and coach the team. A breath of fresh air has made all the difference. And a breath of fresh air is what so many Special Olympians offer whenever we see them, which is what happened recently at Splitsville.
Setting them up and knocking them down. 5 years of success in the books now for the New England Revolution, teaming up with Special Olympics Massachusetts for a night of fundraising and competition.
They were one of the first adopters of understanding that our athletes on the playing field have abilities similar, doesn't matter the intellectual disability.
Each year, the Revs construct a unified team of 7 Special Olympians and 6 unified partners. That squad plays twice during the season against other MLS unified teams. The next match? It's September 29th at Gillette Stadium against the New York City Football Club unified team.
They just go about life with such a positive attitude, and especially with how this world is nowadays, it's always nice to see that and add positivity and good vibes to life. And they're just so welcoming and open-hearted and so warm, and so they just kind of welcome you into their family. 5 years ago was when I first started working with Special Olympics, and they kind of opened their heart to me and their family, and now I feel like I'm part of their family.
It's great to see that despite the fact that they have some handicaps in life, that they're up for the challenge and they look to excel every day.
Put any athlete in a competitive forum and watch him go to work.
My son Connor is a unified partner, so an individual with abilities on the Revolution team. And he actually said to me when he goes, "Mom, we already have a plan. We're going to beat so-and-so, we're going to beat so-and-so, Diego and I are going to beat so-and-so." They were already competitive. And what you'll find is some of our athletes will probably be the best bowlers here tonight.
Are you good?
Yeah.
You're pretty good? So you come here to compete. You come here to win.
Yeah.
I love that. I love the attitude. So when you're going up against the Revs, does it make you want to win a little bit more?
Yeah.
How did you become so good at bowling?
That's the way I am as an athlete, being optimistic of myself, because I am lightning after all.
Lightning comes with thunder. There it is. And the thunder on this night, aside from the pins getting knocked down, is the money raised for the Special Olympics. More than $300,000 in the last 5 years.
Lucky.
But more important, people of all ages, abilities, colors, and creeds working together for a common goal.
Whenever you walk into a room with our athletes, whenever you're at an event like this for your athletes, you always feel better when you walk out of the room than when you walk into the room. And they're just amazing people. Their families are amazing families, and their enthusiasm and their work rate and how much they put into their craft is truly amazing to watch, and they do it with great attitude, great spirit. And so for our players, I know it's great to have them engage with the athletes because they get something out of it as well.
Each year it's been growing and getting bigger and bigger and more involvement with the community, and it's a good time for the players to kind of let loose and just enjoy themselves, and the fans can interact, so definitely each year kind of builds on the next one.
We have fun moments and everybody is happy. Everyone's having a good time for this event, and for me and everybody, for my team and the New England Revolution.
And at the end of the day, that is the point. In fact, I just got an update. That number I gave you, 300,000, is now over 350,000. So congrats to the Revs for once again coordinating a memorable event. To watch the players interact with the Special Olympians is something else on both sides. You can see the eyes light up. It's pretty clear they make a significant impact on each other.